How to use leather care kit. Daily leather furniture care is easy for anyone to do. Identify the type of leather used in your furniture to determine the appropriate care products. Use a leather cleaner to clean the leather surface of your furniture. Use leather polish to coat the surface and nourish the leather of your furniture. Choose a soft microfiber cloth to remove stains. Use a special furniture sponge as the application medium. Now you should be familiar with the steps for using a leather care kit. First, clean dust from the leather surface. You can use a soft microfiber cloth to remove fine dust or a vacuum cleaner to lift more coarse debris. Step 2, apply the leather cleaner. Pour a sufficient amount of leather cleaner onto the sponge. Then gently rub the leather surface in circular motions until the entire area is coated. Let it sit for 15 minutes until the cleaner dries and absorbs into the leather surface. Step 3. After 15 minutes, apply the leather polish. Pour a small amount onto the other side of the sponge and rub it in using circular motions until the entire leather surface is evenly covered. Let it sit again for 15 minutes until the leather polish is absorbed into the sofa surface before using it again. Follow the steps we've provided, with a recommended routine maintenance interval every 3 to 6 months to preserve the color, softness, and durability of our leather furniture. Now, you should feel confident using a leather care kit to clean, nourish, and protect your leather sofa.